Okay guys, I thought I'd give an update on this crazy waterfall situation that I had. I've sort of worked around it. I think I've solved the problem of dwarves dying there. Right, I've started at the top here, so you can see, I'm going to show you the waterfall again. If you look, this is the top of the cliff, top right of the screen, you can see this is the top of the cliff, all of the sort of blue areas, the sort of lower zones. But this waterfall is crazy. It sticks out from the cliff face out into the open area and then falls, which is cool. Which is why I played the zone. And underneath it we have trees. I've now got 4 cave dwelling trees that are growing in here. So as I say, this is considered a cave for some reason, even though it's got grass growing there, which is interesting. It all falls down to here. As you can see, I've built a bridge across the lower part of it now. Retractable bridge, which I haven't set a mechanism up for yet. And I've built this sort of channel. This square here was already knocked out, and all of this area here was being flooded, so I built farms down here. It's now not getting natural water, so I'm going to have to address that. I'm going to have to somehow work out maybe breaking a wall here and just letting it flood into the plains. But anyway, this is, as you can see, I've put in this is my channel here that goes down to my fort and my moat. I've now got a floodgate, which is connected to a lever up here. This will then come all the way down here. Let's get to the right zone. And then go round my fort. Now this is my fort that I've built. It's got 3 gates coming out, north, south, east and west. Well, south is not actually a bridge yet. I'm working on that. This is obviously the main gate, which goes out to the lower area. This is where my intended moat, you can actually see the blue line on the map, my intended moat. I've got another gate. Again, I've never opened this yet. I'm going to put another gate here, so at least I can just section that off. Mainly because I'm built into a cliff face here on the right, so I don't know if I'm going to put the moat all the way around, because there's a lot of digging down from this area. You see, I've got a bridge from the wall over to just this high raised bit. I could just lower this area. Not sure what I'm going to do, but it's kind of broken into. This is where the moat, it would go through where my early build is, so I might have to redesign everything inside. So I haven't done that yet. But anyway, this is my base and my moat, and just to let you know how that I have now solved. My guys aren't just running through this waterfall and getting knocked down and getting injured, so that's good. I mean, you can see from my hospital, hardly anyone in there now, which is good. I do have, obviously, this Ant-Man civilization problem, so all of this cave area, even though I'm actually using it, this level 15, I've got a trap zone here, which I'm going to use for this. This Forgotten Beast has kind of bugged into this corner here. He is free to roam everywhere. He had this whole zone and killed all of the ant people that were here, which I was fighting, which is why I've got this huge zone here. Because I was opening this door and then just loads of these would get full up with ant people. I'd then manage to retake the door, close it. And while I was fighting them, this guy appeared. Because you can see there's a huge cave system. It's like the entire map, and it goes down pretty deep. So it goes down here, and then it opens out again into another cave system. So I've actually managed to control that. I've got a door there now, so he can't get down there. But as I say, at level 15 here, he's just trapped here. So I'm actually walking as normal. Until like a dog went here, he obviously got toasted. This thing breathes fire, which is what all of this zone has been burnt and scorched. He's difficult to kill, so what I want to do is bring him in here, and if he get him in here, and this is going to be a pit that I'm designing, I'm just waiting for him to clear out the blocks. But anyway, that's kind of where we're at with this, at least this waterfall, where I'm going to sort of cultivate it. I think I've got enough water that will be coming through here to fill the whole thing. It'll take a while to fill it up, but we'll see. There'll be another update on that when I'm ready to do so. When I figure out if I'm going to have the moat all the way around. Seems pointless not having it all the way around, right? But we'll see. I might have to just get clever with the engineering out the front side here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you very much.